Hi there, welcome to Chef Nico's Kitchen. In this video, I will show you step by step how to prepare and serve the perfect penne pasta with Italian sausage in a creamy Alfredo vodka sauce. But, before we start, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of our upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this easy recipe by chopping the onions, finely mince the garlic, and set aside. With a paring knife, cut and remove the casing from the sausage links. In a large deep pan, heat a tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion to the pan, and allow to cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally, until onion have softened. Add the garlic, and let toast for 30 to 45 seconds. Add the sausage, stir and brown until just cooked through, about 6 to 7 minutes. If necessary, use a fork or a potato masher to break the sausage into small pieces, stirring frequently. Drain excess fat if any. Add 5 tablespoons of vodka, about 1/3 of a cup, and let reduce by half. If you like your sausage a bit more cooked, add a 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, of water or stock to the pan and let simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, bring a large pot of water to a boil. After 2 to 3 minutes, stir in the tomato sauce, or tomato paste, the bay leaves, the sprig of thyme, and the heavy cream, double cream. Season to taste with grated cheese, black pepper, and a light pinch of salt. Stir and reduce the heat to medium-low, and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until the sauces thicken up a bit to your liking. Once the sauce is ready, and the pasta is not quite cooked, turn the heat off and set the sauce aside. Once the water comes to a boil, salt it and cook the pasta al dente according to the instructions on the package. Once ready, drain and reserve a cup of the pasta water. Add the cooked pasta to the sauce, and toss to cover well. If needed, thin the sauce out a bit with a tablespoon or two of hot pasta water. Stir in the grated cheese and few thyme leaves. Adjust to taste if needed, and serve immediately with some extra freshly grated cheese if desired. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.